Today on Awesome Plus, we're making cherry clafoutis. That's light and has a custard cream-like texture. It's a French-inspired dessert that looks fancy, but it's actually super simple. It's great for breakfast, dessert, or even a holiday brunch. It's gluten-free, easy to make, and always a crowd pleaser. This recipe requires blender. Who doesn't like blender recipes, right? We all love blenders. Start by greasing a 9-inch pie or baking dish with a little bit of coconut oil or unsalted butter. Next, grab your cherries. You'll need about 2 cups fresh or frozen cherries. Just make sure they are pitted. Arrange them in a single layer of your baking dish. For the batter, grab your blender. I'm using Vitamix, but you can use any blender you have. Add 3 large eggs, maple syrup, honey, or you can use sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a splash of almond extract for that lovely floral taste. Then add a pinch of baking or sea salt, almond milk, some lemon zest for a bright citrusy touch, and finally half a cup of almond flour, or use all-purpose flour, 1:1 ratio. Blend everything until mixture is smooth and frothy, starting on low speed, then increasing to high for about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour the batter over cherries. Don't worry if they float, that's completely normal. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30-35 minutes. You'll know when it's ready, when the top is puffed and golden and the center is just set, kind of like a cheesecake, and the surface feels dry to the touch. Once it's baked, let it cool a little bit, then sprinkle it with powdered sugar for extra sweetness and glossy finish, and scoop into it while it's still warm, just like you would with custard or creme brulee. You can enjoy this dessert warm at room temperature or cold straight from the fridge. That's what makes it such a perfect make-ahead treat. Try it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, yogurt, or maple syrup. One of our favorite things about this recipe is how versatile it is. Use fresh cherries in summer and frozen ones in winter. Thanks for watching, enjoy your dessert, and I'll see you in the next video. If you try this cherry clafoutis, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal wholesome recipes you can actually make and love.